Hi students, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Let's begin our class with laughing, smiling and with energetic. Today I am going to teach lesson 2. The name of the chapter is verb. Let's learn today about verb. What verbs? What are verbs? Verbs are action words or doing words. What the actions you do in the class and outside in the ground. Like, I will show the actions like I am reading a book, I am writing, I am playing, I am watching the videos from the phone, and also I am watching the pictures. Every day you are watching the phone and you are watching the pictures, videos, whatever you like. I am drinking, I am thinking, I am drawing like draw a heart. I am drawing. What I am doing? I am drawing. These all are called the actions. What we call? These all we call the actions. Words like reading, writing, eating, running, playing, flying, all these are called the doing words. For examples, sleeping. How you sleep on the bed? You sleep like this. You are drinking milk, drinking water. Writing. You are writing on a notebook. Learning. Whatever you have written on the book, you are learning. Then crying. Some students are not getting the things and they are crying. How you are crying? Crying like this. You are crying. Then talking. I am talking. I am teaching you. So I am talking. Watching. The word is watching. I am watching the video. Then laughing. How you laugh at home? Now you are free and you are laughing a lot at home. Laughing. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Smiling. Smile. And drawing. Again I am showing the drawing. When you are free, you are drawing the pictures on your drawing book. And the other, note that words like is, am, are, was, have and had are also called verbs. These are not doing words. They say what somebody or something is or has. Like, I have a pen. Like, I have a phone. I have a ball. The things that belong to you, these are called the words. A verb can also say what somebody or something is or has. Okay, like I has a pen. Now I will tell you about verb. Define verb. What I have written here? Define verb with 3 examples. What I have written here? Define verb with 3 examples. Answer. A verb is mainly a doing word. It says that someone or something does an action. Such a word is also called an action word. For example, Rana is playing. What the Rana is doing? Rana is playing. Ravi is speaking. What the Ravi is doing? Ravi is speaking. Sita is writing. Question I have written. Define verb with 3 examples. The answer is, a verb is mainly a doing word. It says that someone or something does an action. Such a word is also called an action words. Which are the verbs? Please underline it. Which are the verbs? Playing, speaking, writing. These are the verbs. Now, more examples I will tell you. Ram is laughing. What the Ram is doing? Ram is laughing. How you laugh? Ha ha ha. Ram is laughing. Sita is crying. What the Sita is doing? Sita is crying. How you cry? Like this. You cry like this. She drinks water. What she drinks? She drinks water. Drinks is verb. So dear students, you too practice at home, learn these things at home, do the actions which I am teaching. Today I taught many actions. Once again I am going to repeat that actions so you can do at home and have practice. So you can learn easily sentences. How to make. This is a ball. With ball, what you do? Playing. You play like this. You play cricket. With pen. What you do with pen? With pen you are writing. Where you are writing? You are writing on a notebook. You are writing. And this is bottle. From the bottle, what you are doing? From the bottle, when you feel thirsty, you open it and drink the water, and you say you are drinking. And small sentences you try at home and frame the sentences so you can learn the verbs easily. There are plenty of verbs, and that will increase your English vocabulary also. Thank you. Have a nice day.